What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $1,000 a week in 2019 straight from your phone. All right, so all the stuff I'm going to be going over, I currently use on a daily and weekly basis. I'm going to pull up some income reports to show everyone this stuff is real, and I have links down there if you want to sign up with any of these methods. All right, so the first one I'm going to get into here might not be for everybody, but it's going to be betting with Bovada. Now, I've been using Bovada for the last 7 years. I play a lot of the poker on here on my phone. I do some sport betting occasionally, and I'm just going to pull up a cash out that I had recently to show you that I've actually done this and made money with it. So you can see right here I had a withdrawal of about $792. My account is got literally 48 cents in it, but if I wanted to load it up, I could do that again. I did this playing poker, but just want to kind of pull it up here. You can see that it is $792. I did it literally 3 days ago. All right, so that's going to be my first method. Now, if you want to make a lot of money, then I'm going to recommend you check out affiliate marketing with Amazon. So let me just pull this up real quick. I'm going to pull up an income report, and this is just one of my affiliate accounts, and it's doing pretty decent. So anyways, in the last 30 days here, you can see that I've made somewhere around $2,800. Now, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting things on a YouTube channel, a blog, an Instagram account, a Facebook. Doesn't really matter. The point is here that you can make a lot of money doing this, and it's really passive. This is stuff I've promoted in the past. Over 2, even 3 years ago, I still make these small commissions on here. And Amazon, it's an okay program to be promoting things. There are better ones out there because the percentages are so low on here, but you can see even me, I'm making almost $100 a day, and I'm not even doing anything. So, obviously, we're kind of getting to the point here where we're almost hitting $1,000 a week with just a couple small methods. The way that I recommend everybody get into affiliate marketing, if you want to learn it, is with Wealthy Affiliate. Now, this is basically the best training platform because there's a great community here. They've got a bunch of free content that you can check out. They do have some paid stuff. If it's something that you want to take a little bit further, I do recommend going with the paid option, but this is where I recommend you go because video courses on here are awesome. You can ask questions with the community. There's a ton of members, and I love it. The other one that I recommend checking out is going to be Affilorama. This is another basically training site / app. There's a bunch of great content here as well if you want to learn affiliate marketing. And they have over 20 free video courses on here to check out, as well as some paid content. All right, so we got betting, poker out of the way, and then we've got affiliate marketing out of the way, and now we're gonna get into stock trading on your phone. So this is a big one. This is another one where the sky's the limit, but the thing is, you need to have some money in your account to make this happen. So me personally, I like to start with $2,000 or $3,000 in my account. Robinhood is basically a free trading app where they don't charge you any commissions to buy or sell stocks. The way I've been making money with stocks, over the last 24 months is with swing trading. It's where you buy a stock, like a chunk of it, hold it for like a week, 2 weeks, a month, maybe 2 months down the road, and then sell it just based on, whatever's going on with it. And it's obviously this is something that you have to practice at and get good at. But once you get good at it, you can make a good amount of money, trust me. You can also lose money, but in the beginning you might lose money, but over time you'll get better at it, and it's just something that you can make decent money with. So, on this account, it's up 20% right now, which honestly is okay. It's not like super great or anything. I have more money in here that I usually keep. Like I said, I only keep $2,000 or $3,000 in here, but I'm thinking about throwing some more in here, maybe get it around $10,000 to see if maybe I could take things a little bit further with it. But that's kind of more of my risk tolerance here, and we'll see what happens though going into this year. But anyways, Robinhood, I've been using them for over 3 years now. They are awesome. I do recommend everybody create an account and really just start to learn stock trading, and it's just kind of cool that you can do all this from your phone and start making some money that way as well. So honestly, just getting into these first few methods, I'm already going to be hitting $1,000 a week, and I didn't even show you. I have I think I've got 7 different affiliate accounts, and I only showed you Amazon. So I do make a considerable amount with the affiliate marketing. Anyways, the next one we're going to be checking out, the next couple actually are going to be automatic investing apps. Now, these are just kind of add-ons. So if you're making some money with the methods I already showed you, my recommendation would be to create an Acorns account, and then we're going to get into the next one, Wealth Simple. when you throw money into these automatic investing apps, they basically will make 2 to 5% on your money. The cool thing here is that you don't have to do anything. So, you know, you're gonna make a lot more money with an Acorns account than a bank or a bank savings or checking, which is something to think about. And then you can set up recurring deposits on here. You can set up card roundups where you connect a debit or credit card to it, and then you're basically good to go. Anyways, I could pull up my performance. I don't have much in here, obviously, but let's see where it's been at over the last 6 months. Okay, so you can kind of see it's up about 3.88%. Like I said, you will make between 2 and 5. You can also change your settings for how aggressive you want your investment account to be. And then they have this really cool feature, which I always like to pull up. Let's just say that you want to throw an extra 200 bucks into Acorns. You can really see how the money will start to just kind of add up for you over time. So something to think about here. It does cost $1 a month to use Acorns, but I recommend it to everybody because I like it. So anyways, the other one's Wealth Simple. I don't have a lot of money in this one either, but it's basically the same thing as Acorns, where you know you put little bits of money into it and it automatically invests it for you and makes a little bit. I think it's a kind of a good idea to split the money that you're putting into these apps up to see which, you know, account does better. So if you want to like put 25 a week into Acorns, then 25 a week into Wealth Simple, and see which one outperforms the other one over 6 months to a year, I think that would be cool. But these are not going to make you rich, these last two, but I think they're just really like good add-on apps where you can just squeeze a little bit of extra money out not doing anything, which is always awesome. All right, so I'm just going to recap here for everybody. We've got Bovada. You know, obviously, if you have a knack for poker or betting, you can make a lot of money there. And you can see one of my cash outs recently was for, in the last 3 days, like almost 800 bucks. And, you know, I've done really well on there. Other than Bovada, I'm always playing at Ignition. And then, of course, we've got affiliate marketing with Wealthy Affiliate and Affilorama. If you want to get into affiliate marketing, and I think everyone should at least try it, start off with a Wealthy Affiliate, sign up there, start to learn the ins and outs of it. It will take a little time to get going, but the sky's the limit. And honestly, I make well over $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, just affiliate marketing. And then of course, Robinhood stock trading. You can always make money with stock trading if you can get good at it. I do recommend saving up at least $2,000 to $3,000 though, if you want to get into that. So you got to have some money saved up for it. And of course, we got the last two apps, which are really just add-on apps for everybody. But anyways, just showing everybody this stuff is real. I hope you guys enjoy these money-making videos with your phone. I do enjoy doing them. So I'll have links down there in the description if you want to sign up with any of these methods. Hit me up below if you have any questions or comments. I'll get back to you. Hit that like and share, and we'll see you guys later.